Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if notifications, calls and app alerts keep interrupting you, focus mode lets you silence distractions instantly and stay in control. In iPhone settings 2026, focus mode allows you to filter notifications, calls, apps and screens with just one tap. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to turn on focus mode on your iPhone in 2026 like a pro, okay? So first thing first, go to settings, okay? Tap settings, look for focus, tap the first one. So this is where all focus modes are managed, okay? So now tap one of the available focus modes. So we have do not disturb, we have personal, we have reduce interruptions, sleep, work. You can also add other focus modes like driving, okay, work, or anything, okay? So each focus has its own rules, okay? So toggle on the selected focus mode, okay? So once enabled, notifications are filtered, calls are limited, the focus icon appears in the status bar. Okay, so allow important people optional. So for example, you can make exceptions when you are using the do not disturb on your iPhone, on your phone in general. You can for example make exceptions by, for example, add the people that you want to call or they want to call you even if you are in this focus mode. Okay, so you add them here from your contact. You can also choose the apps that you want to get the notifications from here. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.